How to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. For this issue, first of all, launch your settings on your device. From here, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Face ID and passcode option. Simply tap on that. From there, enter your passcode. Then if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see reset Face ID. You have to simply tap on it and again reset your Face ID. Also make sure that iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store password autofill all are toggled on your Face ID. Once you check all of this, go back to the settings homepage and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then you have to hit on general on your settings. Here, scroll down a little bit. There you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on that. From here, tap on reset and do reset all settings and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily fix Face ID not working issue on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.